right, once we finish with the racetrack and we create the coils, we bring the coils over here where we then insert them into a motor, into the winding part of the motor, the stator. We'll also then put some insulating strips in, and what you see right now is the gentleman is actually putting in magnetic wedges. And those magnetic wedges help create the electromagnetic field that makes the motor turn. Once he does that, then we'll connect all of the copper wire that you see exposed there. We'll connect that to complete our electrical circuits, and then we'll bring it over here where we'll test it.
Okay.
So the initial test is our pre-installation test, and we do this essentially just to check the electrical properties of the motor, make sure that there are no short circuits, and make sure that the resistance in the motor is what we expect in the circuits. Then we put it into our vacuum pressure impregnation system, also known as our VPI system. In that VPI system, it will then fill that winding with resin, and we'll bake that resin in to make it hard. And you can see over here on the end of the line where there's some windings that are darker amber color.
Mm-hmm.
Those motors have already gone through the VPI system. When they're done, they'll come back out here and we'll test them again. Only when we test them the second time, we'll test them at 14,800 volts, which is basically 2 times the operating system of the motor to make sure that everything is insulated properly and there are no problems with the winding.
What if there are problems? Do you have to start all over?
If there are problems, depending on what it is, if it's a broken electrical circuit, we can likely go in and repair that. If it's a broken lead, we can go in and repair that. If it's something more difficult than that, then sometimes we may have to throw the whole thing away and start all over, yes.